To use Apple Pay on an iPhone, follow these simple steps. Start by using the default card added to the Apple Pay app. For devices with Face ID, double-click the side button and authenticate with Face ID by glancing at the iPhone. Alternatively, enter a password or PIN to open the Apple Wallet. For devices with Touch ID, double-click the Home button instead. If a different card is preferred, click on the default card to view other options. Then tap on the new card and authenticate. Next, hold the top of the device close to the contactless reader or payment terminal. The transaction is complete when done, and a check mark appears on the iPhone. Apple Pay can also be used to make payments within apps or online in Safari. To do so, select Apple Pay or click the Apple Pay button. If a different card is desired, click the Next button, denoted by the greater than symbol or the Expand menu option, which is located next to the default card. At this point, enter contact, shipping, and billing information if necessary. Apple Pay will store this information for future purchases. Confirm the transaction, then authenticate using Face ID, passcode, or Touch ID, depending on the device. For devices with Face ID, double-click the side button and authenticate using Face or passcode. For devices without Face ID, verify identity using passcode or Touch ID. The payment is successful when done, and a check mark appears on the iPhone. Using Apple Pay on an iPhone is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps.